Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Amex to redeem membership rewards step by step clearly. To connect your American Express account to redeem membership rewards, start by visiting the American Express website or opening the Amex mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section in the main menu. Look for the option labeled Redeem Rewards or Use Membership Rewards. Select the type of rewards you wish to redeem, such as travel, statement credits, or gift cards. If you're interested in travel, click on Travel and then Book Travel. You'll be redirected to the travel portal where you can search for flights, hotels, or car rentals. Enter your travel details, including your destination and travel dates. After finding your desired option, select it and proceed to the checkout page. Review the total cost and make sure to choose the membership rewards option for payment. If prompted, confirm your selection to use membership rewards points. For statement credits, go back to the rewards section and select Statement Credit. Choose the eligible transactions you'd like to apply your points to. Confirm the amount of points you wish to use for the statement credit. Follow any additional prompts to complete the transaction. If redeeming for gift cards, find the gift cards option under Redeem Rewards. Browse the available gift card options and select your preferred choice. Confirm your selection and specify the amount you want to redeem. Finally, complete the checkout process to finalize your reward redemption. You should receive a confirmation email for your transaction shortly after. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.